How to fix the HP Smart Tank error code OXC4EB8004 is a comprehensive guide that provides step-by-step instructions to resolve this issue. The error code OXC4EB8004 is a common problem encountered by HP Smart Tank printer users and is usually related to ink system failures or printer cartridge issues. To begin with, it is essential to understand the meaning of the error code OXC4EB8004. This code typically indicates a problem with the ink system or printer cartridge, which can be caused by a variety of factors such as low ink levels, clogged print heads, or faulty cartridges. The causes of the error code OXC4EB8004 can be attributed to several factors, including low ink levels, clogged print heads, or faulty cartridges. To resolve this issue, it is crucial to identify the root cause of the problem. The solutions to fix the error code OXC4EB8004 involve a series of steps. First, check the ink levels and replace any low or empty cartridges. Next, clean the print heads to remove any blockages or debris. If the issue persists, reset the printer to its default settings and then update the printer firmware to the latest version. Additionally, it is recommended to use genuine HP cartridges and avoid refilling or using third-party cartridges, as they can cause compatibility issues and damage the printer. Regular maintenance such as cleaning the print heads and updating the firmware can also help prevent future errors. In conclusion, fixing the HP Smart Tank error code OXC4EB8004 requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve the root cause of the issue. By following these steps and best practices, users can resolve the error code and ensure their printer is functioning correctly.